Remember, eyebrows are sisters, but not twins. I outlined them, they're not perfect. Boom. That's my new lip gloss shade. Hey family, if you are returning to this channel, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I am a registered nurse of 11 years and I'm also an entrepreneur, so I like to call myself a nursepreneur. Now that you're here, you're family too. Today I am going to show you guys how I do my quick and easy 5-minute face. It's my no makeup look. I do this every day, even if I'm just like running errands, going to the grocery store, something real quick. It's just to enhance my look, not a full beat down. It'll get to 5 minutes depending on how fast you apply your makeup, really how fast you can do your eyebrows and stuff like that. I've been doing this the same way for years, so I could do it in 5 minutes. I could do it driving to work. And I used to be a makeup artist, so I got really good at concealing, correcting, and working fast, all right? So I was getting ready to record for YouTube and I was getting myself together and I was like, you know what? I should record this part too. Let's get into it. For this look, you will need 4 products. You're gonna need your concealer that is the same color as your skin tone. You are gonna need an eyebrow pencil or powder if you prefer, but I like a pencil. And you're gonna need foundation powder. This powder needs to match your skin tone, and mascara. These are the 4 things you're definitely gonna need. And 3 brushes. You're gonna need a brush to outline your eyebrows, a brush to blend in concealer, and another powder brush for the powder. The bonus step is to apply some naturally looking lashes. Some people aren't good at lashes, some people don't like lashes, some people get their lashes professionally applied, so that's an optional thing we'll do at the end, okay? So I have already washed my face and moisturized. Don't I look shiny? But yes, you want to moisturize your face, and that's good. I even applied some under eye serum that I do every day. What I want to do is take a paper towel or whatever and just wipe the oil off my eyebrows. I don't have much eyebrows, girl. As you see, I draw these things on every day. So I'm just gonna wipe the oil off of my eyebrows area so that I can apply the product better. Another step you could do for that, like especially if you have oily skin, you can do just a little bit of your foundation powder and just to blot up the powder, okay? I always start with eyebrows. So I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills. It has a spoolie on the end. I am using shade dark brown. Shape your eyebrows the way you like to shape it. I like mine's dark, full. I like them light in the start of the corner, shadowy, and I'm gonna show you how I do all of that. Outline my brow and then I fill it in. This part right here, you don't have to be super neat with, but you gotta know where you want to do it, where you want your arch. I like mine's dark on the tail. Okay, boom. I outlined them, they're not perfect. Next, I'm gonna clean them up with the concealer that is my foundation card. Now, if you take this with you, like you take your little kit with you to the gym or something like that, make sure you take your pencil sharpener with you because baby, if this little point breaks or you know it gets dull or something, it's a waste. So next, I am using Fenty concealer in shade 420. So I wipe the excess off, usually always more than I need. And this is literally what I work with, or the little bit that's still on the brush. So this is a flat brush I use to sharpen my eyebrow. Just need a little bit, and then I try to keep it sharp to a point. And I'm just gonna wipe off some of this excess, and I'm gonna carve out the bottom, then the top. Okay, one bottom. And then I'm gonna do the other bottom on the other eye. Again, same thing, keeping the bristles sharp to a point. Boom. So the bottom is done. Now we're gonna do the top. Any excess product I kind of wipe off right here under my arch. Just sharpen my brush and we go over it. And then I start to look and compare and try to make them similar. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, but not twins. They basically cousins. but kind of get them to look kind of similar. They don't have to be exactly identical. Don't stress yourself out with that. I don't even care no more. I just try to make sure they start kind of like at the same point. Their thickness is similar. So if I don't want one real thick and one skinny, try to make that similar, and that's it. I go about my day. So after I see that, next we're gonna lighten these corners right here. I don't like my corners to be really boxy, so what I do is just light strokes and soften that line right here. That's really all that is. Soften that line right there. That's it. Look, eyebrows all done. So I then want to get rid of this halo. Like you see this outline, I get rid of it with this brush to move my concealer around. Move that around, blend it in, make it match your skin color. Boom, brows are done. You could use your spoolie brush on the end. Sometimes I do it to like feather this part out, or if you feel like you got too much pencil in one spot, I feel like I wiped too much off. It's a light stroke. And that is it. That's my brows. My brows are done. I feel like that's the most time consuming part of this whole face. So next, you use your concealer to cover your blemishes, like your acne scars, and underneath your eyes. Brighten underneath your eyes, girl. Still using a little bit of product. I use my brush and hit little spots just like this, because a little bit of this cream concealer goes a long way. Like I have this scar right here over my eyebrows. This is a burn scar. That's it. Literally, that is it. And then I go back and I blend it all in. And now I set that concealer with this light translucent powder. It's very light. And just to keep it in place, you could use the even bigger brush and just go all over your face if you want. But definitely set the powder around your eyes, underneath your eyes. Look at that. That's why we have to make sure our concealer and our foundation are actual skin color so that it just blends pretty, because we're basically done. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. Also optional. You could, you know, go about your day. The face is done. Add some mascara. I'm using Benefit's They're Real. This is my favorite mascara. I don't have no eyelashes or no eyebrows, so this helps me out a little bit. I don't have any bottom lashes, but if I did, I would put some mascara there. So this is it. This is it. Simple 5-minute, no makeup look. It looks real simple, real natural, everyday, fresh face, cute. All right, this is my work face. This is my running errands face. This is if I'm leaving out the house. I do not leave out the house without putting on these eyebrows, okay? Now next, optional, is applying eyelashes. So for this look, I would use wispy lashes that have a clear band right here. Hopefully you can see what I mean by that, by a clear band. Or I would use clusters, like the individual lash clusters. I'll put a picture of what I'm talking about. I would take 2 of those clusters and put them on the end of each eyelash. That's also really pretty. It gives you like this little cat eye, winged eye effect, just putting those 2 clusters right here on the end. I actually like that better than the whole strip. So I would get this and some clear eyelash glue. I am using Sassy eyelash glue. I feel like because I'm recording it, this is probably gonna be like a bad lash day. Some days putting on lashes is easier than others. If you don't like putting on lashes or you can't put on lashes, girl, just stop right here. You look cute, your face is good. You got a fresh face, your blemishes are colored, your eyes are bright, your brows are on fleek. But if you can and you love a lash and you like a lash, then come on with it, girl. Again, these are like not the 25-30 millimeter lashes. These are wispies. Simple, cute wispies. And tell me, is it me or does it seem like clear eyelash glue does not hold as good as black eyelash glue? That could just be my opinion. But let me know in the comments. You know, you want the eyelash glue to be like halfway dry before you put it on. I sat that lash right on top of my lash, and now I'm just gonna push it and tap it in place, make sure it's really stuck all the way good. All right, one eyelash on. This glue will dry clear. All right? Putting this right on top of my lash. Try to sit it in the center. It's always one lash that gives me a hard time, and this is the one. I'm switching to my black Sassy glue because I just like it the way it holds better. So if you're gonna use black glue, you have to be careful to make sure you use a very, very thin of it and you place it proper. But it is easy to like move the glue after it dries. Now, if you get a little excess glue, like I do right here, wait until the lash is dry to remove it. Don't try to remove it while it's still wet. Wait till it's dry, it rolls right off. Because if you do it while it's wet, you could disturb the whole lash. Don't nobody want to do this one more time. As you see, applying lashes makes this a 15-minute phase. Stop that mascara, we could be out the door by now. But that's okay, girl. I just want to show you how we do it. That's okay. All right, we all done. Put your lipstick on, your lip gloss, or whatever you're going for. I'm putting a little gloss on. This is NYX Butter Gloss in the shade CARAMELT, Caramel. Boom. That's my new lip gloss shade. And yeah, this is the look. Thank you so much for tuning in to see my 5-minute phase, my no makeup look. Share this with someone else who likes a soft touch of makeup and are pressed on time, running out the door every day. Like I said, the lashes add time. It takes it away from being a 5-minute phase to a 15-minute phase. It's really based on how fast you can do your eyebrows and how fast you could do this. Like I said, I've been doing my face the same way, exactly like this, with these products or similar products to it for at least, I don't know, like 7 years. So I could do it very fast. Practice makes perfect. If you have any suggestions, any tips, leave them in the comments below. I hope this helps one, each one teach one. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time.